So my first question for today is, what originally drew you to Veblen?
So, my background is really corporate. So, I was a managing director at Accenture for quite a while, and I'm used to working on sort of big global projects. And then when I resigned from that and I moved into coaching, the business part of my brain got a little bit bored. And I decided, I really want to do something that makes a difference and that leverages the expertise that I already have. So, all of the business background, as well as my business coaching certifications. And then I decided, it makes sense to join some boards to actually be able to, make a difference, make an impact. And yeah, from there I went and did some research, and Veblen came out tops because it's got such a great program where you have the whole community behind it, and you move through steps. You start with an advisory board, you move into apprenticeship. So it had a whole program and a journey, and it just came out tops when I did the research. So yeah, that's how I ended up here.
Beautiful.